Hey there! Welcome to the Practical Local SEO course for entrepreneurs. If you've ever wondered how some local businesses dominate Google Maps while others barely show up, you're in the right place. In this first lesson, Larry Spartacus, a full-stack SEO specialist, will break down what local SEO really is, why it's critical for entrepreneurs, and how you can start applying it right away to grow your business. Let's jump in.
Hi, I'm Larry from SpartacusX.com. In this course, you'll learn practical, step-by-step strategies to help your business appear where your customers are already searching, on Google Maps and search. But before we start optimizing anything, it's important to understand why local SEO is one of the most powerful digital marketing opportunities for small and medium-sized businesses. Local SEO stands for Local Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of improving your visibility in search results when people nearby look for your services. Think about it. When someone types "best coffee shop near me" or "plumber in Los Angeles," Google shows a map and a few top businesses. Those top listings don't appear there by accident. They've optimized their Google business profile, their website, and their online presence to signal trust and relevance. And here's the good news, you can do it too, even without a huge budget. According to Google, nearly 46% of all searches have local intent. That means almost half of Google users are looking for something nearby, restaurants, services, or shops. More importantly, 76% of those searchers visit a business within 24 hours. That's why local SEO isn't just about clicks, it's about real people walking through your doors. When you show up in that top 3 map pack, you gain visibility, trust, and measurable revenue.
Larry, before we dive into the setup, do we need anything special to get started?
Good question. You'll need a reliable website host and a simple way to track your progress. For hosting, I recommend Bluehost or Mochahost. Both are WordPress friendly, fast, and affordable for small business sites. For rank tracking and analytics, SE Ranking is my go-to platform. You'll see me using it throughout this course to measure growth. You'll find my affiliate links in the description. They're the exact tools I use in my daily SEO work. Supporting through those links helps me keep this course free for everyone. Here's how this course is structured. Each lesson focuses on one essential part of local SEO, from optimizing your Google business profile, to crafting local-focused content, to building backlinks, and tracking results. Every step is practical and demonstrated with real examples. By the end of the course, you'll have a repeatable system for ranking your business on Google Maps and in organic search, and a clear understanding of which tools and strategies actually move the needle.
Quick recap. You learned what local SEO is, why it's critical for business growth, and what tools you'll need to get started. In the next lesson, Larry will walk you through setting up your website the right way, so Google understands exactly who you are and where you serve customers. See you in Lesson 2.
If you're serious about ranking locally, this course will give you the roadmap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for the tools we discussed and your free SEO audit at SpartacusX.com. In Lesson 2, we'll start building your local SEO foundation from the ground up, starting with your website.